Welcome to a brief introduction to Walla Walla Community College, award-winning community college in both Walla Walla and Clarkston, Washington. My name is Melissa Rodriguez. I'm the Director of Outreach and your contact for general information about the college and career fairs, arranging campus visits. You'll be able to access this presentation and other resources at www.cc.edu/welcome. Also, I speak Spanish. Why we think you should consider Walla Walla Community College: we're affordable, 1/3 the cost of a four-year college or university. Most of our students are receiving financial aid, and we have state grants and foundation scholarships. Students should apply in the fall when they're applying for their other financial aid. We're flexible in that we have programs as short as 1 quarter, 1-year certificates, 2-year degrees that go directly to work or transfer, and Bachelor of Applied Science degrees in different array of modalities. We're personal, our classes are small, and we have highly qualified, experienced faculty and strong student supports. You can explore with your students our 100+ certificates and degrees by visiting our webpage www.cc.edu and clicking under Academics to explore by educational pathways or all of our programs A to Z. Interested students can submit their information to us at www.ccwarrior.org. You can watch interviews with faculty and students about programs organized by Educational Pathways at Become a Warrior sessions. You can also watch a virtual tour. Student life on our campus includes leadership opportunities through student government, fun activities through clubs and student activities teams. We have a brand new student-funded recreation center that's going to be available to students. Students can keep up with what we're doing on social media at WWCC Student Life. Athletics teams we have in both women and men's, and you can explore those at warriors.wwcc.edu. If a student is interested in Walla Walla Community College, they can submit their application online for free. Everyone who applies is accepted. They'll receive their acceptance letter via email and be receiving information on how to activate their Net ID, also known as Student ID. They'll be able to log into Student Intake for the complete advising and registration process, which will include placement. There will be funding options linked there, and that will carry them to advising and registration. Note that our deadlines are different than a lot of universities. Students interested in attending fall 2021 will be able to get registered as early as June 4th. To reach us, follow us on social media, visit our virtual assistance page to talk with someone in a Zoom room, live chat with us from our homepage, visit our Welcome Center page, or learn about our new modalities at Warrior Flex, linked from our homepage. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me, and here are the direct links and addresses for our 2 campuses. Thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to sharing more with you at www.cc.edu/welcome.